Happy Monday afternoon, sixth graders. How you doing? Just want to make a short video to kind of explain some things because today's an asynchronous day. Tomorrow we don't meet because you have the iReady testing. Wednesday is another asynchronous day. So all I will do is I will only see you on Thursday because Friday we have no school. Remember that. Friday, no school. So I want to share a video with you so you can always go back and watch this anytime you want to answer any questions about what might be coming up this week, okay? So why don't we get started? Okay, here we have our Google Classroom. And in our Google Classroom, we find the link down here to our virtual classroom. So we'll click on that. This opens up. You'll see the week at a glance there. Tomorrow, you're going to answer those hero questions. I'm going to show you where those are there. And then I'm going to talk you through the Heroes Rubric and Worksheet. The link is here for that. The link will also be on the slide for today, and it will also be in your Google Classroom. So there's many different ways to find the rubric and the worksheet, okay? So here's your work at a glance. You're going to look at that. And then here is our slide for the asynchronous day, okay? Going to do two things today, okay? We're going to look at the rubric and the worksheet. You can do that on your own. Just getting familiar with it. We'll work on answering those questions later in the week or answering and working on them. Just want to make you aware of them. And then today, I want you to go ahead and answer those questions that we had in our Heroes slide. Okay, so the original Heroes slideshow is linked right here, and the rubric and worksheet is linked right there. Now, the questions, you can just do it on any piece of paper. It doesn't have to be anywhere special, just so you have it, so that when we come back together, we can start kind of talking about that, and it'll help you start working for your planning thing, okay? So let me just remind you what those were. Okay, so here we can enter and open up our hero slideshow, what a hero looks like, you'll remember that. And you'll remember we had different questions. Who is your hero? What are everyday heroes like? What do we show when we could portray a hero? What are similarities and differences between real heroes and comic book heroes? And how can we base what we do off of things that already exist? Okay, so I want you to work on answering these questions today. Okay, those are found right on this link here. Email me if you have any questions. I'm here to do whatever you need. The other thing I want to talk to you about is this rubric and worksheet. Right now, it's not going to show up, but it will show up in your Google Classroom. It'll look like this. You'll have a rubric and a plan sheet. Now, the plan sheet you're going to complete before we really get into working on your Heroes project. The rubric, you just can look at to see what we're looking at, but you don't have to worry about anything with it until we get closer to the end of our project. So don't worry about the rubric so much other than to get familiar with what we're looking for. Really focus on the plan sheet, but I'm going to open up both. So let's take a look at that rubric real quick. Here's the rubric. Okay, you're going to have 4 things you're graded on. The elements, how you communicate your aspects of identity, your craftsmanship, and your artist statement. Okay, your artist statement, you don't write till you're done, but you're going to write it right here in the rubric. Each one is worth 1 point. Did you complete it or did you not complete it? Did you succeed at it or did you not succeed at it? Okay, you will have the chance to go back and fix things. Okay, if you're not happy with your grade, I will give you every possibility to get your grade better where you want it and to actually get where you want to be and to show me that you learned this stuff. So that's the rubric. If you have any questions on the rubric, email me or wait till we have the discussion about it a little more later this week when we're together, okay? So here's the rubric. The other thing we have is the planning sheet. Now this you're going to start working on. You can start working on it today if you want. You can wait until we're done talking about this and wait till we talk about it on Thursday. You can do it on Wednesday. Okay, just get it done sometime before the end of this week. And I'm going to show it to you right now. And it's fairly straightforward. I think you'll be able to do it. So you will get your own copy of this plan sheet. Here it is. Okay. So here I'm going to go over with you. Just to answer these right on the document. So 3 things that you would think are qualities in a hero. What makes a hero to you? List 3 things, okay? Part 2, choose one of the artists on the slideshow, okay? You can choose the ones listed there. There's Norman Rockwell is there too. Okay, so part 2, you're going to choose an artist from the slideshow. Then search the internet for a work of art that your chosen artist has created. If you just want to use the art that's on the slideshow, I'm fine with that. You don't have to go searching for that. Tell me the artist's name that you chose. Tell me the work that he did. And why do you think your artist created this piece of art? Okay, why did your artist choose this piece of art? Part 3, who is your hero and why? Who are you going to try to create? And we can go back and change this. Your hero is not stuck in stone until you're ready to really get down into finishing your final project. So who is your hero and why? How are you going to depict your hero? Okay, you're going to create a portrait, but what objects are you going to bring in that represent them? How have they impacted your world? How do they make you feel? Think of those things. What are you going to put in your drawing to show us how this person is your hero? And then part 4, what are you going to use? Are you just going to use pencil and paper, colored pencils, markers, whatever you have at home? What are you going to use to create this? Then we're going to start sketching the ideas in your sketchbook and show it to me, okay? Once I approve your sketch, then you can go on. You don't have to work on that now, okay? You can start working on it on Wednesday or on Thursday. You don't need to work on this yet, okay? This is just to introduce you to it and to answer any questions if you have them via email. All right, so let's go back to our classroom. And please go back and watch this video as many times as you need or just segments of it, okay? So that's it. Remember, we have no class tomorrow because it is a testing day. So you will not have a synchronous day with me tomorrow. You have some stuff due. I'm going to extend that to today. It says Friday there. Look at me. I'm changing right now. I'm going to change it to today. But if you don't get it done by today, sometime by the end of this week, I'm going to be putting those grades in Hack. Either you completed it or you didn't complete it by the end of this week, okay? Any questions, please email. Otherwise, have a great day. Tomorrow, do your best on that iReady as best as you can. And take it seriously, but don't stress about it too much, all right? Stay as amazing as you are and have a great day. Please email me with any questions. I'll talk to you guys on Thursday. Bye.